Steve. I hope you're doing just terrific today. This is a 3-minute guitar lesson, the shortest ones on the whole YouTube and internet. This is All I Have to Do is Dream by the Everly Brothers. What a classic tune. Let's just get right to it. I got to do this one fast. You put your capo on the 3rd fret and then play a C major shape. And it goes C major, A minor, to F, F major, and then G major. Does it again, dream, C major, A minor, F, dream, dream, G major. And then, does it again, when I want you in my arms, and I want you and all your charms. So it's all those chords. We haven't even changed anything. Whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. And does it again, when I feel blue, all that kind of stuff. And after 2 verses, feel blue, it goes, all I have to do on that G is dream, C major to F, F major to C. And that sort of sets up the chorus like that. And then it goes to F major, I can make you mine, to E minor, taste your lips of wine, to D minor, anytime, G, night or day, to C major, back to F, only trouble is, E minor, and then you go to D7. It's basically like playing a D major, but instead of that note being there, it's right here on that 4th fret of the B string. I'm dreaming my life, a G, like that. And if you want to take all your hands after you hit that G and just go, that's pretty cool. 1 finger on that 4th fret of the E string, and just hit the bottom 4 strings right there of that. And then you go right back into I Need You So. That's C major, A minor, F major, G, and does that over and over and over again until it goes, all I have to do is C, F, G. And then if you want to take off this middle finger, this little bonus tip, you go. It's like a little way to do a walk up, like this, picking like this, but you're really just strumming chords. All I have to do is dream, oops, C major, F. All I did was play the C major and remove that. Then it goes back into the chorus again. I could take you, whatever, about the wine, all that kind of stuff. All right, I gotta go fast. That's Everly Brothers. All I have to do is dream in under 3 minutes. I hope you liked it. Hit like and subscribe if you did, and hang out for more 3-minute guitar lessons with Steve. All right, later.